So with this vehicle, we've got the rear door tent. It's got a handy shower annex room. We'll set that up now. So it comes inside this neat canvas bag. Grab the tent. Before we start that, you're gonna just grab the draft skirt. Draft skirt simply clips onto the bumper bar, like so. And then with the tent itself, we just simply follow the studs around. Nice and easy setup, just for one person. In this tent, we've got a door on this side and we've got a fly screen window on the other side.